Hi, I'm Jesse from Visit Stockton, and today I'm going to show you how to download the new Mobile Dine Pass for Stockton Restaurant Week 2021. To start, on your mobile device, go to StocktonRestaurantWeek.com. Scroll down until you see the red box that says Stockton Restaurant Week Dine Pass and click Get Yours. In the next window, click Checkout and fill out the information form. Make sure to use your most recent email address, as this is where the download link will be sent to. Once you have received your email, click the red button for View Your Pass Now. This will open up the Restaurant Week app into your web browser. To download the app to your mobile device, click Options and Add to Home Screen, and then click Add. After a few moments, then the app will be downloaded to your phone. From here, you will be able to see all the restaurants participating in Stockton Restaurant Week 2021 and view all of their Restaurant Week specials. Use the app to check in at participating restaurants for a chance to win a $25 restaurant gift card. We hope you enjoy the new Mobile Dine Pass for Stockton Restaurant Week 2021, and we can't wait to see where you go eat this year.